Okay, so another week without a Pico CTF video. I will get back to doing those. Just right now, still getting things set up for moving. And so instead, I thought we'd do a quick video on, how to find the Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 for your currently connected device. And, for the currently connected access point and for any previous access points you might have connected to. This is really useful. Say you have an elderly family member that you helped them set up their Wi-Fi network at one point in time. You helped them set up their computer, and now you've gone back to troubleshoot, and you no longer know the Wi-Fi password. Well, there are some pretty easy ways within Windows that we can go and find that password. So it seems like the audio in my recording got messed up, so hence the different shirt, slightly different hair, and probably a different monitor background. But let's go ahead and let's talk about how you'd go about getting that Wi-Fi password for the network that you're currently connected to while you're on Windows. So let's go ahead and switch over here to my main monitor. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the control panel. Now that we're in the control panel, your view probably looks a little bit different than mine. So let me put it. So if you've never opened up the control panel, it should be defaulted into this categories view. You can just go ahead and go from categories and pick either large icons or small icons. I'm going to go with large icons. Once you have this view, go ahead and click on Network and Sharing Center. Open that up, click on your network, hit Wireless Properties, Security, and then you're going to hit this Show Characters checkbox here, and that'll put our key into clear text for us. So you can't see it because I'm going to blur it out, but there's my Wi-Fi password. Now let's go over how we get that same password if this isn't the most recent network that you were connected to. It's a little bit more complicated, but don't worry, you can do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to Windows R. We're going to type in PowerShell, and we are just going to go ahead and run that. I'm going to run it as an administrator right now. And we're going to go ahead and open up the network shell. You can do that by typing netsh. Now, let me enlarge this. Let's see, can we zoom in here? There we go. So now we are in the network shell. You can see us in this new shell right here. And we're going to go to the WLAN, the Wireless Local Area Network submenu. Now we're in the net shell WLAN submenu here, and we can do show profiles. And this is a list of all known Wi-Fi networks. And so we pick the one that we want to get our password for. We're going to go with the 2x dropout one right here, and we're going to use show profile. 2x dropout. Oh, double quotes, excuse me. And we can see all this information about the network. But if we look here at our security key, it just says present. We're not getting any more details than that. But what we can do is we can do key equals clear, and that should give us our network key content in clear text, which you can see here is hi YouTube. So, all right, well, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I can try and answer them. Yeah, so once things get finished getting moved in here, I'll probably go back to finishing up the Pico CTF 2023 videos. If you enjoy any of this content, keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to continue to try and upload as I have time. Anyways, thank you for watching. Peace.